Welcome! In today's video, you'll hear a Christmas gift shopping conversation between a salesperson and a shopper. It's a great way to learn how to speak naturally in real-life situation. Make sure to watch until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. Good morning. Welcome to Holiday Gifts and More. Are you looking for anything special today?
Hi. Yes, I'm shopping for a Christmas gift for my sister, but I'm not completely sure what to get.
No problem. I'd be happy to help. Can you tell me a little about what she likes?
Sure. She loves cozy things, like blankets, candles, and warm clothes. She also enjoys reading and drinking tea.
That gives us plenty of options. We have a Christmas gift section over here. Would you like to take a look?
Yes, please. I need some ideas.
Here are some scented candles. They come in Christmas-themed packaging.
They smell great, but I'm not sure if she already has candles. Do you have anything more unique?
Definitely. What about a Christmas gift box? It includes a blanket, a mug, tea bags, and a mini candle.
That sounds perfect. How much is it?
It's $45 and it's currently on sale for the holidays.
That's a good price. Can I see what's inside more closely?
Absolutely. Here's the sample box. The blanket is soft and the mug has a cute snowflake design.
This is really nice. Do you have different colors?
Yes, we have blue, red, gray, and cream. Does your sister have a favorite color?
She likes soft colors, maybe cream or light gray.
I'd recommend the cream version then. It feels calm and elegant.
Great. I think she'll like that. Do you also have gift wrapping?
Yes, we offer free gift wrapping for all Christmas purchases.
That's perfect. I'm not very good at wrapping presents anyway.
Don't worry, we'll take care of everything. Would you like to add a greeting card?
Oh yes, that would be helpful. Do you have cards with simple messages?
Of course. Here are some options. Merry Christmas, wishing you joy, and sending warm holiday wishes.
I like the last one. It fits her personality.
Great choice. Would you like me to write the message inside for you?
Actually, I'll write it myself, but thank you.
No problem. Is this the only gift you're buying today, or are you shopping for anyone else?
I still need something for my dad, but he's hard to shop for. He doesn't say what he wants.
Many people feel the same way. What does he like to do?
He likes cooking and spending time in the garden. He also listens to music a lot.
We have a Christmas cooking gift set with spices, an apron, and recipe cards. We also have wireless earbuds on sale.
Wow, those are both great ideas. Let me see the cooking gift set first.
Here it is. It includes 5 spices, a high-quality apron, and a small recipe book.
This looks fantastic. Does it come in different styles?
Yes, we have a barbecue version and a classic cooking version.
He's more into classic cooking, especially Italian food.
Then the classic one is perfect. It even includes a recipe for homemade pasta sauce.
That sounds great. How much is it?
It's $35.
That's very reasonable. I'll take it. And the earbuds, how much are those?
Normally $60, but they're 20% off today.
Wow, that's a good deal. Do they have good sound quality?
Yes, customers really like them. They're comfortable and the battery lasts long.
I might get both gifts for my dad. Can I return them if he already has earbuds?
Yes, you can return within 15 days with a receipt.
Great! That gives me peace of mind.
Would you like gift wrapping for both items?
Yes, please. Do you charge extra for wrapping more than one gift?
No, all wrapping is free during Christmas season.
That's amazing. How long does wrapping usually take?
Just about 10 minutes. You can wait at the counter or continue shopping while we wrap.
I'll wait. I've already found everything I needed.
Glad to hear that. Are you excited for Christmas this year?
Yes, I am. I love giving gifts more than receiving them.
That's wonderful. Do you have any Christmas traditions with your family?
Yes, we usually open gifts in the morning and then have breakfast together.
That sounds cozy. Do you cook?
Sometimes, but my sister is the real chef.
Maybe the cooking gift set will inspire your dad to make something special this year.
I hope so. Thank you for helping me pick everything. You made shopping much easier.
My pleasure. Your gifts are ready. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Do you take card?
Yes, we accept credit and debit cards.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your total is $98. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please, just in case.
Here it is. Have a wonderful Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
Now, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases from the conversation that you can use in real life. Browse. To look around casually without a specific plan to buy something. To explore items or information in a relaxed way. Example: I'm just browsing today, but I might come back to buy a gift later. Budget. A budget is a plan for how much money you can spend. It helps you manage your money so you don't spend too much. Example: I'm shopping for Christmas gifts, but I need to stay within my budget. Recommendation. A recommendation is a suggestion or advice about what to choose, do, or buy, usually based on someone's experience or knowledge. Example: can you give me a recommendation for a good Christmas gift? Gift receipt. A gift receipt is a special receipt that does not show the price of the item, but allows the person who receives the gift to return or exchange it if needed. Example: could you include a gift receipt, just in case my brother wants to exchange it? Wrapping. Wrapping refers to covering a gift with decorative paper, ribbon, or a bag to make it look nice and ready to give. It is often done for special occasions like Christmas or birthdays. Example, I'm not good at wrapping presents. Do you offer gift wrapping here? Thoughtful. Thoughtful means showing care, kindness, or consideration for someone. A thoughtful gift or action shows that you understand what someone likes or needs. Example, that candle set is such a thoughtful Christmas gift. She'll love it.
Stocking stuffer. A stocking stuffer is a small gift that is put inside a Christmas stocking. These gifts are usually inexpensive and fun, like candy, small toys, or keychains. Example, I need a few small stocking stuffers for my friends this Christmas. Checkout. Checkout is the area in a store where customers pay for their items. It can also mean the process of paying for things when shopping. Example, the checkout counter is near the front. You can pay there. Special offer. A special offer is a temporary discount or promotion that makes an item cheaper or gives extra value. It is often used during holidays or sales to attract buyers. Example, we have a special offer today. Buy one and get the second item 50% off. Out of stock. Out of stock means an item is not available for purchase because it has already been sold out. Example, I wanted to buy the red scarf, but it's out of stock right now. Peace of mind. Peace of mind means feeling calm, safe, and not worried. It is the feeling you get when you know everything is okay. Example, having a gift receipt gives me peace of mind in case my brother wants to return the gift.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe and join me again in the next video.